In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you my methods and my strategies that helped me to earn $10,211 with Fiverr affiliate program using Pinterest, just by using free traffic from Pinterest. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest, how do I find profitable services or product that I promote on Pinterest to earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods. And let's get started. And I made this commission just in 13 days, okay, from the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month of July. Okay, this is my commissions, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, and so on. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Pinterest, step number one, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page. Just come to this page and scroll down like this. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's profitable. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses. They are really paying you just few cents. This one is profitable, and all you have to do is you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see, let me show you. So you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, they will ask you, so just choose. Let me show you. Choose yes or no. I'm gonna choose no. Choose your country. Okay, it's super easy. Just choose your country from here and choose your language from here. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. Anyone can sign up, and it's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and account dashboard. Okay, all you have to do now is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, so how we can choose good services? So what you will do, pay attention, go back to your Fiverr affiliate, go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this, and we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest. So what we will do is we will choose services related to Pinterest. We will search for services related to Pinterest, search for Pinterest, and here you go. You will find a lot of Pinterest services here. So let's choose, for example, Pinterest design. I'm gonna choose this service. So since we are promoting services on Pinterest, we will choose services related to Pinterest. Always, like I said, choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so you need to choose good sellers, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page on Fiverr, like the people who has Pinterest account, people who want to grow their Pinterest account. Those people are interested to grow their Pinterest account. That's why they are buying those services to get more engagement, more followers, and grow their businesses on Pinterest. Okay, so what you will do next is you will copy the link of this seller. So just copy the link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. If you guys don't have Pinterest account, go to Google. It's for free and it's easy. Go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. It's super easy, okay? Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click over here on this link, sign up by using your email address, choose business account, not personal account. You need to choose Pinterest business account, and that's it. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. So why we choose to promote our services on Pinterest? Because Pinterest has, let me show you. So did you know, guys, that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest. You guys are missing a big opportunity if you are not using Pinterest to promote your affiliate links. Pinterest has a lot of traffic, 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a big number. Okay, anyway, click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and you will be directly in this page over here like this. All you have to do is you need to go back to this seller profile page. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture. Okay, just click on his picture, double click, and save this picture to your laptop. So we'll use this picture in our Pinterest account. Okay, so just click on save and click on save, and here you go. Go back to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account, and that's it. So let me see, this is my picture here about Pinterest design, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. All you need is you need to put your title, your description, and your affiliate link here. So we will go back to the seller profile page. We will copy his title like this. We will go back to Pinterest and we will put his title here. Description, we will go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description, okay? So I will copy this part and they will go back to Pinterest and they will put this part, this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account and you have new account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account because I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board, and you just need to click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one, I already have a lot. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords. Go back to the seller profile page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down until you see related tags. Okay, here you should see this related tags. Okay, so copy those keywords, copy this one, copy all those keywords, Pinterest pin, Pinterest graphic, Pinterest design, Pinterest pin design, and use all those keywords here. Okay, go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. That's how you can start promoting services on Pinterest, and that's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. This is the method that you can use, guys. Choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses on Pinterest, or to grow their Pinterest account, get more followers, more likes, make their account professional and branding, and you can make a lot of money if you are using this method, and if you stay consistent, if you keep doing more research, if you think smart, choose good services, stay consistent, you can make a lot of commission with this affiliate marketing business model. It's really clear, but it's not easy because it's gonna take time to earn your commissions. You need to promote a lot of services, and that's how we can start affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, like this video, and see you.